Good morning, artists. It's me, Mr. Noah, and I'm here with another craft for you today. This is my guest host today, IG88 from The Empire Strikes Back. How's it going, IG88?
Well, it's great to be here, Mr. Noah. Thanks for having me.
Well, it's great to have you here. I can't wait to see what kind of stuff you do.
Let's do this thing.
That's a great attitude to have, IG88. All right, we're gonna do this fun project today. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna use the sun to make some shadows, and we're gonna trace those shadows, and it's gonna be a blast, and then we're gonna make shadow art. All right, artists, let's go ahead and gather the supplies that we're gonna need for today. Paper. I also found some scrapbooking paper. I found this really cool blue and this super shiny red, which I can't wait to use. You're also gonna need something to draw with. So Sharpie, color pencil, regular pencil, ballpoint pen. The final thing that you're gonna need is something that's gonna make a really cool shadow on your paper. I'm gonna pick this elephant first, but I'm also gonna try a bunch of other things once we go outside. Okay, artists, now that we have all of our supplies, let's go outside. So the key to this is to get a good time of day when you have good shadows. Right now it's, we are in, what month are we in again? We're in April. We just started April. And it's around 4 o'clock, 4:30. So this is a perfect time because I'm getting these nice long shadows on the ground that are really, really distinct. And this is gonna give us some really good shadows to trace. Okay, artist, now we're gonna do some shadow art. I'm gonna lay this yellow piece of paper down on the concrete, and I'm gonna hold it down because it's a little windy. You can use rocks or bricks. I'm gonna take my object, and I picked my elephant. I'm gonna lay him down here so that the shadow will fall onto my piece of paper, and then I'm gonna trace it. Okay, artists, that's gonna do it. Let's gather all our supplies and go back inside. Okay, so we're back in the studio, artists, and I brought in all the tracings that I did while I was outside. And some of these I may want to do some extra stuff to. I'm gonna show you some different things you can do with your shadow art. Once you're done with the actual drawing today, you might need some other supplies if you want to take it further. You're gonna need probably some scissors, glue stick, and a whole variety of coloring things like pencils and markers, maybe even some paint, watercolors, whatever you have around the house will work just fine. Okay, artists, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys had a blast and got a little fresh air, a little sunshine. IG88, how did you do today, buddy?
I had a really good time, and I took your advice and I colored mine in. I think it looks pretty.
Wow, IG88, that looks amazing. Great work. I'm glad you spent some time on it. So as always, please send me pictures of your work, and I will post them on my Instagram page, See Serpent Art Room CMP, and you can check your pictures out there. Hope you guys had a blast today, and I will see you next time. Blah.